everyone. Just wanted to give you a quick rundown on my little portable mini crawler course I made. Use the basic materials that most guys on here are using, of course, like the spray foam and plaster cloth, a little bit of spray paint, and some of my kids' toys. A few of the things that I did add to it I thought would be interesting would be, like, I used the old bottle caps as stumps and stump holes, and got an idea off here from one of the guys using old sawdust, basically glued it down to have kind of a sagebrush effect or what have you on it. But all in all, it seems to be working pretty well. It's still super light, just made out of junk, made out of shoe boxes and some cardboard that I brought home from work. But seems to be super fun. Hope you enjoyed watching me run the SCX Ford Bronco on here. Seems like it's going to be fun. I've used maybe some little, I got some small red solo cups or something to use as gates when I have a friend over or something, that we could make the course a little harder. But all in all, I think it'll be a lot of fun. I think it was a good build. It was fun to build. But I thank you for watching. Ask you to share this with anyone that would be interested in it, and comment and subscribe. Thank you.